what they got in there, King Kong?
You're so funny and flat.
You drop things enough, you get good at catching. Look at those buttocks. Cool.
Spanking it!
Spank it! Hey, I want to spank the elephant.
Yeah, you can.
These buttocks. Yeah, 3%. She's got a stick too. Oh, him. She's standing on it. This. This is what you call a wild elephant. I'm not going to be there.
You know when she picked up
Wow.
You're going to come up and scare us, I think.
Like you want somebody to take the camera, so you take care of the camera, okay?
From anywhere, her belly, her face, her ear.
I have to go in, aren't I? Huh? How does it compare to scrubbing the boat?
But you've got to be careful of the eyes. With the boat, there are no eyes. Wow.
Oh, yeah, boy.
You can scrub. And we pay a lot of money for this. Full body scrub. Yeah, I know.
And far and sleep.
And doing good breakfast for
Oh, you coming back? That's the grandma, I think.
Whoa.
You want us to do the other side?
Yeah.
Okay.
right.
Yeah, she's like, come on. Come on.
Okay.
Get on it, Kim. She's giving you an order.
Okay, I'm coming. Hold on. Her legs. That side. Where's her trunk?
Yeah, this
She's going to trip me over and she's going to find it hilarious.
There's a trunk. Kim's doing her thing. Birthday wash.
A bit like doing the boat.
Yeah, it is a bit like doing the boat. Whoa.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm going to give you 3 bananas at one go. They're all a bit tight. Oh, hang on. Get in there. Get in there. There you go.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, wait, can I pick it up?
Oh my gosh. So clever.
Where are you?
So the young one can have sugar cane, but the old girl can only have bananas. She's 57 years old. 57? 57? There you go. Oh.
Wow.
All right, I'm going to do 5 at a time because she's getting impatient with us. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Way. There we go. Beauty. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I like it.
You love that. She can't eat that one.
Oh, yeah.
Take that away. She can't have that. She knew that she spat it out. She can't eat that. Get it, Kim. She can't eat that one. It's bad for her.
Let's get you a banana.
Idiot. Oh, I know. He's foolish. Frenchman. They're sweet feet.
I want to run it.
Yeah, she can't have the sugar cane. She's too old for that now. And so if you give it to her, she spits it out. But she drops it from her trunk.
Hello, beauty.
Oh, none.
This is weird.
Okay, come on. Let's give you some. Let's give you a whole bunch. Here we go. Here's a whole bunch, you gorgeous dog. I see you. I see you. You got him. You got him. Yeah, boy. Woo! Beautiful.
Whoa. Wow.
Here's some. Oh, 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 nice. Whoa.
Don't feel like thirsty and drink more
Wow.
water.
Okay, we're making the elephant's
The
dinner.
reason that we put bananas in is because of this medicine.
It's
They
a
eat
supplement
the medicine.
dinner.
It's bitter. So I trick them to eat the medicine. So medicine help with their appetite and also like a laxative. So when they have constipation, they eat this and they can poop well. Because they can die from 1 or 2 days of constipation. So they need to poop every day and I want to be careful. So
Once
I
a
feed them
day?
2 times a day.
2 times a day like
2
this.
times of this, yeah. So just put everything in, and the package is eatable for them too because it's made of bamboo. So you can just break everything and mash everything and make it into like many balls.
Many balls.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, rings are coming off for this one.
If you're ready,
Well good.
Let's give it a go.
Okay, so we're making the elephant supplement dish. They have this twice a day.
So this is tamarind. Wow. We like tamarind, don't
It
we?
helps them go to the bathroom. They eat 10% of their body weight a day. So it's 300 kilos a day.
Now I'm about to get messy. Do it like this, do this.
Nice.
Look, do this. It's so. Oh, do you want to go?
No, you go.
Ava, look.
Mix it all up. Come on. Oh yes.
Go.
Oh yes. Yes. How
That is hilarious.
amazing!
We are
Whoa.
making. This is like dog treats making 2.0.
And they can. She said they can sense the medicine like children, and they don't eat it. So she has to hide it in this.
Yes.
Wow. We could make Lola's dinner like this from now on.
It does.
Lola would eat this. She'd be like, yes.
Yeah, she's like, I'm ready. Whoa. Look at.
And then this is the finished product. Well done.
Ellie, you gonna do it?
Yeah, I'll do one. Come on. So this is the elephant laxative, which is their medicine. What did she call it? Medicine or
Yeah.
protein meal? What did she say? Vitamin.
So what it is we've made these balls.
Yeah.
And we've put these laxatives
And they've got the
in.
cardboard bamboo skirts
This is the
on.
medicine.
Here we go, darling. Come on, babes. Whoop. Oh.
Okay. Yay.
This is included in the tour.
You like the mango?
Yeah. Mango good.
Oh my goodness, it kind of looks like the elephant hair. It does.
Crazy.
"18 minutes and your company catches up on 10 years of research."
Gracias, señor.
Don't get cheap on me, Dodgson. That was Hammond's mistake.